Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Birchbox unboxing because my first Birchbox has just arrived. This is the April 2018 Birchbox. This, by the looks of it, is in collaboration with Kath Kidson, and it's also comes with a gift box, which comes, I don't know if you can see that, it says gift on it, so I knew which one was which. First I'm going to unbox the actual Kath Kidson box. Oh, first up we have a little hand cream that matches the outside of the box. This is 30ml. Just going to smell that. It's not got a very strong smell to it, but it does smell nice, a bit like baby powder. Next we have a Birchbox exclusive Marcelli Gentle Makeup Remover for sensitive eyes. Removes waterproof and long wearing makeup. This is 50ml. To try that later. Oh, I seen that was going to get this month. Next up is the Fill and Tame Brow Gel by, this is in the colour Blonde. I think it's by Beautaniq Beauty, and this is in the shade Blonde. I've not currently got any makeup on me because I didn't know exactly what I'd be getting in my box, so I thought it's best, if I wanted to demo it, just to leave it with no makeup on. It's a reasonable colour and makes my eyes look a little bit, eyebrows look a little bit crazy because I'm not wearing anything else on my face. Next up is the ModelCo Baked Highlighter in Moonshine. And this is 1.5 grams. It's a little thing like this. Oh, that's really pretty. It's kind of like an orangey colour. Let's just swatch it. Oh. This looks pretty similar to the Bleak palette, this sort of colour. No, it does swatch a bit more pinky. And the last thing in this is this. This is how big it is, the little magic cloth, I think they called it. And it's by the brand After Spa. But I've got one from Primark here. This, I think, was like £2 from Primark, and this is the one they give you in the Birchbox. So, you know, this is pretty. Birchbox times Vogue. Let's have a look in here. Oh, this feels very, very full. Oh, what's in here? The first thing I see is a Birchbox little brush cleaner. Got a mini of the Hoola bronzer. Next up we have some, can you see that? Chlorine, what is this? Oh, it's dry shampoo. Next up we have Smooth, Sealed, Sensational, Volumizing, No Oil. That we have, oh, it's a top coat for nail varnish. I don't really paint my nails all that often. I can't remember the last time I actually did. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Hope to see you again soon.